digital nomad lifestyle is catching fire everywhere. Picture a life where your office has sandy beaches for floors, mountain peaks for roofs, and every day is a new adventure. But wait, not so fast. It seems like 2 out of 5 digital nomads hit the pause button on this dream playlist. Why? Let's dive into the lesser-known tunes of the digital nomad life. Scams. Let's dive into the 3 big baddies that drained $8.8 billion just last year. The fake police officer scam is a sneaky one. Posing as cops, they approach you, claiming to check for fake cash or making a false accusation. They ask to see your wallet, then swipe your cash. Drop your story in the comments below. Your experiences could be the pro tips that save someone's day. The overpriced restaurant menu scam is quite the old trick in the book. You enter a restaurant, and they hand you a menu with inflated prices. And just when you thought it couldn't get worse, the bill arrives with extra charges for services you never asked for. The scooter rental scam is a real buzzkill for travelers. You rent a scooter to zip around town, but when you return it, the owner claims you've damaged it and demands an exorbitant fee. With over 50,000 different scams lurking around the globe, staying informed is key. Consider using the Airbnb for digital nomads Chrome extension. Powered by AI, it alerts you to popular scams at your next destination while you're house hunting. The tricky host. Once upon a time in Bali, our hero, Nomad Nate, booked an Airbnb for what promised to be a serene work getaway. Little did he know of what was waiting ahead of him. With his rented scooter and the small trolley, Nate's buzzing with excitement and ready to check in. The bit of a hill the host described for the road to the house hints at a nice breezy ride ahead to Nate. But oh dear, instead of a smooth ride, it's a rocky rampage, each bump flipping the trolley like a Sunday pancake. Nate steps in, all set for that big video call. He tries to log in, but oh boy, the Wi-Fi seems to be racing with a snail carrying a brick. He rushes to check the modem and discovers that instead of the cabled connection promised by the host in the listing, it was using a 3G SIM card. Since the house is in a remote area, the signal is also weak, and on top of that, there's a 10 gigabyte download limit for the month, which Nate suspects he's chewed through half of, just attempting to log in. When he finally gets on the call, the faces on screen are playing peekaboo. Trying to stay optimistic, he opens the windows for some fresh air. As he takes his first whiff, it's like a pile of old socks met a batch of bad eggs in his nose. And guess what? A durian cellar is right around the corner, sharing the strong smell with the whole neighborhood. Hoping for a miracle, Nate arranges a circle of air purifiers and returns to work. Nate hopes for a fresh start. He shakes off the aroma ambush, eyes fixed on his laptop, fingers dancing on the keyboard. But as he tries to find his zen, the loud noise of a jackhammer breaks the silence. Nate takes a peek outside his front door, and guess what? Across the street, a family has rolled out the red carpet for a construction bonanza. Up on the roof, 5 sweaty workers are hammering away like monkeys on a drum, each bang a reminder of Nate's shattered dreams of a quiet day. Below them, a bulldozer is having a field day with the dirt. Chainsaws are buzzing in harmony, and the screech of cutting metal is like a soloist taking center stage. Nate, getting close to the worker with his last hope that they'll finish soon, optimistically asks, "So, any chance this might wrap up by next week?" Worker laughing, "This? Oh boy, it's a 4-year project. We're just getting started." The takeaway? Shoot your Airbnb host some sharp, specific questions before you book. Don't send the same message to many, or you might get blocked. Want to really up your game? If you're looking to dodge those unpleasant surprises, the Airbnb for digital nomads Chrome extension is your go-to. It uses AI to grill the host with all the right questions, ensuring you land a spot that's just right. And it's a master at negotiating, often shaving off about 25% of the cost. With this tool, you secure a sweet deal and a surprise free stay. Start your free trial today. Check out the link in the description.